momentum transferred a wave. Suppose electromagnetic wave, here light. Light traveled in the form of wave. Okay? This is the wave. Suppose wave propagated along x direction. Here one surface is there. This surface is non-reflecting surface. Okay? Look here, man. Non-reflected surface. Focus on board. Non-reflected surface. This surface is called completely absorb the light. Once again, I repeat, now. This surface completely absorb the light. Absorb the light. Okay? And again, once again repeat, Nana. The surface is non-reflected surface, completely absorbed the light, and this surface is called black body. Overall, black body, according to chemistry, it is a good absorber. Light under name absorber. In three cases meaning here light completely absorbed by the surface. Light completely absorbed by the surface. Energy of the light according to Einstein equation mc square. C square write as C into C. Here mass into velocity is called momentum into C. This is the Einstein equation. Einstein equation. Here today topic is momentum, Nana. So that's why according to this formula momentum, Nana, this is called energy, Nana. Energy equal to P into C. P equal to energy. In the chapter energy denoted by U, Nana, by C. What is the momentum delivered by the wave to the surface? Once again, momentum delivered by the wave to the surface. The condition is this wave completely absorb. The wave completely absorb. What is the formula for momentum, Nana? What is the formula for momentum delivered by the wave to the surface? What is the formula for momentum? U by C. This formula is applicable only for wave completely absorbed. For example, here this is the wave, Nana, light. This is the surface, Nana. This surface is called mirror. Or fully polished surface. Mirror other name, polished surface. That mirror always light reflect, completely reflect. That means this is called reflecting surface. Reflected surface. Okay? Nana, we take mirror, Nana, the mirror light completely reflected, Nana. Here this momentum P in this direction, What is the change in momentum? Change in momentum write as P final minus P initial. P final is P. P initial is P. But here direction is opposite. P final minus P initial. P. Here also P. Direction is minus of minus plus. Nana here P final P. P initial P. But direction is opposite, Nana. Here right minus of minus plus. P plus P to P. That means due to the reflecting surface, change in momentum delivered to the surface is 2P. But in the previous case, P formula is U by C. Here momentum delivered to the surface is 2U by C. This formula is applicable. The surface is reflected surface, fully reflected surface. Okay? Once again I repeat, Nana, one small note I given, Nana, small note I give. This is the light nana. Here this is the surface nana. This surface 30% absorb nana, 70% reflect nana. Okay, 30% absorb nana, 70% reflect nana. Here momentum is determined nana. Momentum general formula absorb completely ante u by c nana. So that's why 30% of u by c nana. Okay, here u is called energy nana. Energy into 70% reflect అవుతుంటే ఫార్ములా ఏంటి 2u by c nana. కాబట్టి ప్లస్ పెట్టి 70% ఆఫ్ రిఫ్లెక్టెడ్ లైట్ అంటే ఫార్ములా ఏంటి మొమెంటం కి 2u by c. హియర్ u అంటే ఎనర్జీ, c అంటే వెలాసిటీ ఆఫ్ లైట్. డు యు అండర్స్టాండ్ నౌ? ఇన్ దిస్ క్వశ్చన్ లైట్ ఫాల్ ఆన్ ద సర్ఫేస్, 30% absorb అంటే u by c, 30% u by c. reflect అంటే 2u by c, 70% of 2u by c. It neatly LCM nana. Here 100c nana, 100c. Here LCM is 30u plus 140u. Finally we get 170u nana. Neatly write as 70u by 10c. Okay, in this manner to solve the IIT problems also nana. To understand momentum delivered to the surface, the light completely absorbed u by c, the light completely reflected 2u by c. Okay, next pressure of electromagnetic wave. Here nana, look here nana. This is called radiation pressure nana. Radiation pressure. Okay. Here this is the wave nana. This is the wave nana. This is the surface nana. For example, this surface completely absorbed nana. This is also called as black body nana. This is called as non-reflecting surface. Here wave completely absorbed nana. This wave bombarded to the surface nana. Bombarded to the surface and some force acting on the surface nana. Force acting per unit area is called pressure nana. Once again repeat, pressure definition is force acting per unit area. Okay, here force formula according to Newton's second law in the first year, F equal to ma over dp by dt. P is momentum, t is time, simply called as momentum by time into area. This is the formula for radiation pressure. Already the wave completely absorbed. Momentum formula is u by c nana. U means once again repeat, energy by time is called power. Power by area is called intensity, simply called as energy flowing per unit area per unit time is called intensity. Or pointing vector in the chapter I by c. This is the formula for pressure nana. What is the formula for pressure? I by c. This is applicable only for the wave completely absorbed by the surface. For example, this is the wave nana. This is the surface. Here wave completely reflect means the surface is called reflecting surface or polishing surface or mirror. Here what What is the formula for pressure, Nana? Look here, Nana. Pressure, radiation pressure equal to, here, Nana, momentum. Here, momentum formula reflected up to 2u by c. So that's why here 2 is there, 2u by c. Here 2. Energy, area into time is called intensity, simply called as 2I by c. This formula is applicable. Wave is reflected, radiation pressure formula 2I by c. Wave completely absorbed by the surface is I by c. These two formulas applicable for radiation pressure. And again, I solve some note, Nana. Look here. What is the pressure formula, Nana? Pressure formula I by c when the wave completely absorbed by the surface. In this case, the wave here completely reflected by the surface. Pressure formula is 2I by c. Here, Nana, pressure is called force by area. Some acting area, I by c. Here force equal to I into A by c. Okay? Here I indicate intensity, A indicate area, c indicate velocity of light. Force formula is Newton's second law. Change in momentum by change in time. P by T simply called as I A by c. Here, according to this formula, what is the momentum delivered to the surface is IA T into T by C. Here I indicate intensity, A indicate area, T indicate time, C indicate velocity of light. Here P is called momentum delivered to the surface. What is the momentum delivered to the surface is I A T by C. Here this is applicable only for wave completely absorbed. This is the force formula, when this is also wave completely absorbed. These two formulas very important. What is the formula for force, IA by C. Here also IA by C into T. T is called time. Here wave completely reflected, pressure formula is 2I by C. Pressure is write as force by area. Denominator other side. Directly I give formula 2I by C into A. 2IA by C. This is also important. This is applicable only for wave is reflected. Force formula momentum by time. Momentum delivered to the surface is 2I by C into A into T. These two formulas, momentum delivered to the surface. In the classwork and exercise, all will be this formula and this formula only. What is the momentum delivered to the surface formula? IAT by C. Momentum delivered to the surface formula 2IAT by C. Here 2 when the wave completely reflected. Here 1 is when the wave only absorbed. Okay. Now I solve the 3-4 problems to see the problems. Momentum and force and pressure problems I discussed Problem number 18. Here given 18 watt by centimeter square. This is the unit of intensity. Okay. 20 centimeter square. This is the unit of area. This is a normal incidence. Okay. Find momentum delivered in time 30 minutes. Minute is 60 seconds. Here momentum delivered. The keyword in the problem is non-reflecting surface. Non-reflecting surface means wave completely absorbed. Momentum formula I give. I by C. This is the formula for I by C is formula for one minute nana. This is the momentum delivered kada. Momentum delivered. Generally, pressure formula is, I discuss I by C. Wave completely absorbed. Pressure. Pressure and force by area. So that's why into A. Momentum and force and momentum by time into time. This is the formula for momentum delivered to the surface. The surface is completely non-reflect or wave completely absorbed. This is the formula. Intensity is given here now 18. Okay. Area 20. Some people చూస్తూ ఉంటారు ఇక్కడ సెంటీమీటర్ ఉంది కదా చాలు, ఇక్కడ సెంటీమీటర్ స్కేలే ఉంది కాబట్టి పోతే ఏమవుతాయి, ఇంటూ ఉంది కాబట్టి క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతాయి. ఇంటూ టైం నా 30 into 60. Velocity of light is right as 3 into 10 power 8. 3 how many times? 6. 6 into 2 12. 12 into 3 36. 36 into 6 216. Some 216 లో ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది, చెక్ చేసుకోండి. 18th completed nana. 19th here also keyword in the problem nana 24 watt by meter square. This is the unit of intensity. Okay, and again this is the disk nana. Surface is disk. Ikkada disk ante area of the disk formula is pi r square nana. Pi r square, pi value is 22/7 nana. R value is 3.5 centimeter right as 10 power minus 2 whole square. This is the area nana. Time is given 1 hour. Hour and 60 minute and 60 seconds. And again momentum transferred to the disk nana. Momentum transferred to the disk nana. Once again I repeat nana. Momentum transferred to the disk nana. Generally this is intensity nana. This is area nana. Here time is given. The keyword in the problem, the surface is polished surface. Polished surface is mirror nana. Mirror is nothing but the wave completely reflected. Wave completely absorbed by the momentum ki formula enti IAT/C. Momentum ki complete formula here IAT/C. This is wave completely absorbed. Wave reflect అవుతుందంటే ఎన్ని టైమ్స్ రాయాలి ఇక్కడ? 2 times. All will be values will be substituted to get the answer nana. Here momentum delivered formula in the topic. Next last one nana. Last problem is 20. Here also 36 watt by centimeter square is given nana. This is the unit of intensity nana. And here polished. Here also polished means mirror nana. Reflecting surface. This side square ichad nana. Side square nana. L square 2 centimeter. That means 2 square 4 centimeter square. This centimeter square cancel actually. Here next nana, find the force experienced nana. Force ante momentum by time nana according to Newton's second law. Momentum delivered formula is 2IAT/C nana. Here T what nana cancel. Direct formula is force is 2IA/C nana. This is applicable for mirror wall and reflecting surface and polishing surface nana. అదే నాన్ రిఫ్లెక్టింగ్ సర్ఫేస్ అంటే 2 బీకేయాలంతే. మరి ఇప్పుడు 2 అంటే 2, ఐ వాల్యూ నానా 36, ఏరియా వాల్యూ నానా 4, వెలాసిటీ ఆఫ్ లైట్ వాల్యూ 3 into 10 power 8, 3 12 nana. Here 2 into 12 24, 24 into 4 96 nana. Here it will be calculated. Finally we get 0.996 micronewton. Micro means 10 power minus 6. Nana, this is most important topics today nana. First I discuss nana energy density of the electromagnetic wave. Next I discuss nana intensity of the electromagnetic wave. Intensity and energy flowing per unit area per unit time. And again that is called Poynting vector. Poynting vector, that is also called as power by area. I take point source or sun, the surface area is sphere, so surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r square. Okay, based on a question, area formula can be taken. And again next I discuss momentum, and I discuss pressure, and I discuss momentum, and I discuss pressure. Momentum, two formulas I given. Momentum means energy density by C when the wave is completely absorbed, when the wave is completely reflected to you by C in terms of energy, that will be momentum delivered to intensity. In terms of intensity, formula is here IAT by C. This is wave completely absorbed. Wave completely reflected means into 2 better reporting. And these formulas will be completely revised. First to write the running notes, and to revise the all formulas, and to solve the all assignments in the material. I give the assignment also. Please prepare electromagnetic wave, because in the NEET 100% one question is given, and NEET JEE means completely 2 or 1 question is given by the electromagnetic wave. So that's why is the most important topic. The major 99% of topic is today completed. Okay, next day only I discuss types of electromagnetic waves. Only theory topic is there. So please revise Monday class, Tuesday class, Wednesday class. These 3 classes are most important for you. So that's why please revise and to write the running notes, and to solve the problems immediately, and to get a good marks in the good score in the electromagnetic wave, because less formulas is in the chapter. So that's why to prepare more, automatically to solve the problems and practice again, automatically to get the success of your life also. Okay, please cooperate, please Nana. Okay, bye.